how to set Android Auto left, right, or default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down. Scroll down, you will see second option is Connected Devices. So click on Connected Devices. Now here, so scroll down to End and click on Android Auto. So after click on Android Auto, so scroll down and click on Advanced and click on Reverse Segregation. So you will see default light right is here. So if you want to set light, so click on light. So if you want to set right, so click on right. So if you want to set default, so click on default. So after adjusting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set left, right, or default on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.